Alright, today we have this BILLCONCH. We're gonna open this up, see what you get with these little safes here. Here's your keys. Nice little keychain they give you. Very nice. Two-sided cut keys, so that's nice to have. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, we have a nice little pinky thing there. Let's see what's inside. The safe is not as heavy as some of the other safes I've been dealing with lately, but very nice finish on there. It actually does remind me of the Fort Knox powder coated finish. Looks like exactly like it actually. I guess this is your key opener right there. So pretty cool little features on this safe. Just give your biometric scan. Oh, look at that. That's actually pretty cool. Alright, it even says welcome. That's pretty neat. Nice little bag there. Here's the tether, so you can tether it to a solid device. Where do you put that? I don't know. I guess you wrap it around something. I don't know where you wrap it. Guess we'll figure that out here in a little bit. Oh, it's like you screw it into something. Probably something internal. I wonder where that's at. Huh. It's all foam lined in here really nicely. Okay, here we go. There is a little bolt right there. I guess you just take it out and screw it into that. Yeah, I like this pretty nice feature. There's a little light in there as well. That's pretty cool. Yeah, this is actually pretty nice so far. I definitely like what I'm seeing on the lighter type of saves. It's not a Fort Knox, but it is a nice little safe here with a good finish. So let's test the key out, see how that runs. Let's see here. Cool. Automatic opening door. Let's see, let's do that. Whoa, again. I guess any fingernail right now is accessing it. We'll see if we can change that later on. But it's pretty cool so far. Definitely like the build quality. Everything feels pretty nice. It even talks to you. It comes in this little bag. I got the little connecting wires there. I guess you can charge it. I guess he's supposed to charge this. I think this might have internal built batteries, I think. So yeah, this has its own like LiPo battery. You can recharge it, I believe. This a admin and password cards for when you set that up. Okay, little tools for installing the tether or whatnot. So yeah, so far so good. What we're gonna do from here is do a full review on it, see how it all functions, go through all of its attributes, see how well the scanner holds up to testing, see if a sweaty finger or a powdery finger causes any issues with it, and so look forward to that video. Uh-oh.